Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular motherboards from ASUS, the ROG Strix B550F and the Prime B550M-A. Both motherboards are built on the AMD B550 chipset and cater to different needs and budgets. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The ASUS ROG Strix B550F is priced at $159, making it a more premium option compared to the ASUS Prime B550M-A, which is available for $119. This price difference reflects the additional features and capabilities of the ROG Strix model, but the Prime B550M-A offers great value for budget-conscious builders. In terms of form factor, the ROG Strix B550F features an ATX design, which allows for more expansion slots and better cooling solutions. On the other hand, the Prime B550M-A is a micro ATX motherboard, making it more compact and suitable for smaller cases. This difference can significantly impact your build's layout and airflow. When it comes to networking, the ROG Strix B550F boasts a 2.5 gigabits LAN connection, providing faster wired internet speeds for gamers and content creators. In contrast, the Prime B550M-A includes Wi-Fi 6 support, allowing for high-speed wireless connectivity. Depending on your setup, either option could be more beneficial. In conclusion, both the ASUS ROG Strix B550F and the ASUS Prime B550M-A offer excellent features tailored to different users. The ROG Strix is ideal for those seeking high performance and advanced features, while the Prime B550M-A is a great choice for budget builders. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.